Hi, in front of me is iPad Pro 2021 and today I would like to show you how you can operate app permissions on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now scroll down and go into Privacy. Over here you can pick one of those options, for example Location Services. Click on them and select an app. I will go with Maps. Now pick one of the options. Never ask next time while using the app or while using the app or widgets. I will go with never, so when I go back, I can see that Maps no longer have access to my device location. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!